na pinagbawalan. Oh my God! Those are flowers. Flowers. Oh, these are, thank you.
Daddy.
I'm scared. What are you gonna do?
Oh, PICC feels like home. Feels like home. I remember, Joy, di ba? Bago ka pa lang nun, ano? Wala pa nga sa timing nun eh. And I remember you guessing my show years of PICC also. Thank you. I'll never forget. That was scary. Maganda yung po sa inyo lahat. Really. And
Oh my God.
congrats, eh.
Thank you.
Um,
Do you want to be up here while
no.
I sing this?
Maybe.
You might want to go down there.
Yes, I will.
I love you, but go down there.
I love you too.
Daddy.
Okay.
You should never,
Okay.
ever sing.
Thank you. ABS-CBN, ang TV5. Ogie. TV5. Ayoko umalis, ano? Sige, Lea, bye-bye.
Oh, by the way,
What?
you know the guy who composed the Pinoy Explorer theme song?
Yes. Ayun. Kita mo? Asa ka ba? ABS mo o TV5? You know what? Bago po ako umupo, gusto ko lang po sabihin na nung pagdating ko kanina, there's always been this, talks about our movie. Na sabi namin wala namang storya. Sabi ko, if it's not gonna be good, then let's not do it at all. And finally, kanina, kita mo Lou Santos of Star Cinema. Serious, ha?
Keep
Finally, sinabi lang, and Rory Kidos is there, my director sa Kailangan Kita in Dubai, told me that finally, andyan na yung storya. And it's really... And then we start filming second, third quarter of next year. Hindi ko pa alam yun, ano? Ano ko rin yun? So that's why when you say, I gotta lose weight, watch out, guys. Hindi mo mga yung mga plunging neckline mo dyan. Daring kasi na yun sa loob.
Ayaw mo.
Gusto ko. Tapos ako nang palayo, ano?
I'm not even moving.
Okay. I'll see you.
You know what? No, come here.
Basta next
No,
time
no,
po,
no.
watch out, really. It's a little show.
I think it's okay. I'm getting permission from Charlie who's just,
Okay lang. My kids are, it's okay.
it's okay?
Very professional.
So you say.
Yeah.
I like the beard.
Thanks for you. All for you.
Okay, so,
Hey, I'll let you do this, really.
are you sure?
Yes.
You don't want me to sing this song with you here? Would you like to sit down? Or would you like...
Do it?
No, it's not a duet. God. I think the duet actually, it's preserved for all eternity on YouTube. And that's where it should stay.
5 million views. Wala ba?
Sa isip mo. Oh. Only in your mind. This one's, sweetheart, this is for you. Sana maulit-ulit ang oras natin karaan. Bakit nagkaganito? Kaya na ba ang pag-ibig mo? Sana ulit-ulit. Sana bigyan ng pansin ang himig ko. Kahapon, bukas, ngayon, tanging wala nang ibang mahal. Kung kaya kong iwan, hindi na sana aasa pa. Kung kaya kong umiwas na, hindi na sana lalapit pa. Kung kaya ko sana.
Sing!
Sandali, di
Sing!
Huwag sana nating itapon ang mamahal na tapat. Ako'y nagkamali minsan, di na ba mapagbibigyan? O giliw, dinggin mo ang nais ko. Kung kaya ko, you can do that, it's okay. Kung kaya kong umiwas na, hindi na sana lalapit pa. Kung kaya ko sana, ito ang tanging nais ko. Ang ating kahapon sana maulit muli. Hindi na sana aasa pa. Hindi na sana lalapit pa. Hindi na sana aasa pa. Hindi na sana lalapit pa. Mahal pa rin kita.